Do you really want to learn to cook curry chicken in coconut milk? I will share with you information step by step how to make curry chicken in coconut milk. Easy peasy. Recipe. To cook my curry chicken, I'm using one chicken. Yes, I will cut the chicken in small pieces. Curry better do in small pieces. Some people like to do it in big pieces. Well, it will taste the same, but it's better doing small pieces. So watch and see how I will demonstrate and cut this chicken in small pieces. After finish cutting your chicken into pieces, wash the chicken with water, get it clean. Then the next thing is to add your seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon curry powder, add 2 teaspoons garlic powder, add half a teaspoon black pepper, add half a teaspoon salt, add 2 teaspoons all-purpose seasoning. After adding all the dry rub seasoning to your chicken, rub it in. Yeah, give it a little massaging. The curry stains, so you can use your gloves, the cooking gloves, to avoid your hand from getting stained. Now the dry rub is rubbed in, the meat start to smell good, so good. Now put aside to marinate. Then we do this next. Here we have scallion, thyme and onion. We are going to add these to our chicken as well. Cut the scallion in small pieces. Cut your onion in small pieces. The thyme, you don't have to cut the thyme. I just put it in the pot as it is. When it cooks and the flavor extract, I just take it out. Easy as that. Now you will add these cut seasoning to your meat you are marinating and just stir it in. Stir it in and you can leave it to marinate again. Remember, marinated thyme. Marinated thyme, there's no special time. You can do this and leave it overnight. You can do this and get 15 minutes and cook it. So there is no special time. So you can marinate for long and you can marinate for short. Now we are ready to cook our chicken. Put oil in pot to hot and stove. As I always said, make your oil super hot. The hotter the oil, the higher the flavor. Now the oil is hot and you add your chicken. This will send a smell to food lovers that food is cooking. Now that all the pieces in the pot, you will stir from time to time. All you're doing here, you're not frying the meat, you're tenderizing the meat. This is not fried chicken, so you're tenderizing the meat. So you just turn it from time to time. The time it takes to tenderize the chicken, it based on how high the flame is under the pot. So the higher the flame, the quicker the tenderizing. The lower the flame, it takes a longer time. Now that the meat is tenderized, you can add your coconut milk. After add coconut milk, stir around to get the coconut milk all around the meat. Then cover pot down for meat to simmer and cook. Now that your chicken is come to a cook, it's time to share with family and friends. Yes, this is curry chicken, ready to eat. Easy, easy, super easy. If you have any question, I want to leave a comment about this dish. You can see the email link below. YouTube is not allowing any comments on my channel. I don't know why. So check out my email link for any information. I'm happy to assist. If you think this video was educational, interested, please subscribe, leave a like, press the bell for more video like this. Thank you all for watching.